Python enthusiasts. Are you also tired and fed up with those tutorials that promises you simplicity but gives you a feeling of wrestling with an anaconda, and that to a real one? Or are you also dreaming of building elegant applications in this world of AI using Python but get trapped up in this Python paradox? Simple to learn but actually hard to master. Don't worry, we are here with you. We are here with the playlist, the Python Paradox. Simple syntax but confusing concepts. But we'll get through it. We are here in this journey designed playlist to get you through the wacky world of Python. In this playlist, you can assure with us clear explanations, real world examples, a daily dose of humor just for all of you, and a community of skilled mentors, associates, and future leaders by the Yodaafy community. So, whether you are a seasoned developer or a complete beginner, we have everything covered for you in this Python paradox, from the tips and tricks to the confusing concepts. Ready to dive in? Check out the playlist right now on Yodaafy Show. And also don't forget to subscribe on our channel so that you can stay tuned about the latest updates and the new programs that we are coming up with. See you soon.